Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy a gift card on StubHub. If you don't have a StubHub account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, scroll this page to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option for gift cards. Click on Gift Cards. On this page, select the type of gift card you wish to purchase. You could choose from e-gift card or bulk orders. The e-gift card is electronic type and will be sent through email. While bulk orders is a corporate gift card, where you'll be able to choose from a variety of plastic and digital e-gift card designs. In this video, I'm going to buy an e-gift card, so I clicked on the Buy Now button. So if you also chose e-gift card, select the design of your card. Then click on the Next Step button. After that, select the desired amount of your gift card and enter all the necessary information. Next, select for whom the gift card is. If it's for a friend, select the This is a Gift tab, then enter all the required information. But if it's for yourself, click on This is for me tab. After entering all the necessary information, you can now schedule your delivery. If you want to send it immediately, select Send Now, then click Add to Cart. But if not, select Send Later. Then enter the date and time of the delivery. Now, review the order summary, then click on the Checkout button. So on the checkout page, enter all the required information to complete your order. Then click on the Submit Order button. That's how you buy a gift card on StubHub. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.